Well, I'm off to a great start. One of my studs broke off. Great, now I gotta replace the studs as well. Hey, what's up guys? In this episode we're working on the Toyota 86 or the FOS, BOZ, whatever you want to call it. That thing. Past few weeks I've been collecting a bunch of parts for it. Got oil cooler, which will probably be in a different video. Have some Stoptech rotors, rear rotors, and some hot HPS pads, stainless steel brake lines, new brake fluid. The fronts already have this set up. It's just stock in the back, so that's why I only have one set. And a few things that a buddy of mine sent me. New intake, some space rolls, and a BOZ-TS strut braces. These have a little dampeners in here, so they're a little bit different than the stock ones that are on it right now. Not 100% positive yet if I'm going to run these space rolls. I'm just going to try them on, see how the fitment is. They might be too thick for what I want, but we'll play with them, experiment. This is my buddy. He's been hanging out here for a few weeks now. What is that? Now I gotta get this thing in the garage. It's always a pain in the ass because my splitter scrapes on this little ramp here. It's not super steep, but it's steep enough to where the 86 can't make it in the garage. It's only been lowered an inch, so it's nothing crazy. The reason I want to look at those space rolls, that way I can stick these wheels out, get a little bit better fitment in the wheel. The fronts aren't as bad, but could be better. Well, I'm off to a great start. One of my studs broke off. Great, now I gotta replace the studs as well. So I'll start working on taking the rear brakes off, get the rotors off, get the caliper apart, so I can replace the pads and the swivel and the brake line. I'll take that off as well. Subaru. I thought this was a Toyota or Scion. That needed a little PB blaster. Help along. The line's on, this little bracket's on. Now I'm going to throw the rotor on before hooking anything else back up. These are the new pads compared to the old ones. There was some life left in them, but these are the factory pads, so these should stop a lot better. Might help if I had the brake pad facing the right direction. Had it 180 out. Wonder why the caliper wouldn't go down. The kit comes with 2 crush washers and a new banjo bolt, so might as well use them. This side is done. All that's left is to bleed and add more brake fluid, or change the brake fluid. Now I get to do the right side, which is the exact same thing, except on the right. Right wheels all together. And done. Just have to bleed. Now I get to do the brake lines in the front.
5 minutes later.
That line's on. Mounted, secured. Now I just have to do the other side. Now I'm on the driver's side front. On this side, I gotta do the brake line, but also I gotta take all this off so I can knock this bad boy back out so I can replace it. Here with this, super glue it back together. Think that'll work? It'll work, it'll hold. Well, I went to 3 different auto parts stores. Apparently nobody carries wheel studs. Shit. That means I have to order one offline. So, have an idea for a temporary fix? I'm just gonna steal one off the ute, since it's not going anymore. Hopefully I don't mess it up, knocking it out. I gotta hurry up before it starts to storm. Got my new used stud, wheel stud. Put it in, get some washers. Stud is in. Good as new. Well, not really. I'm still going to order another one. You can see that this shank is slightly different than the others. So, yeah. Now I can start putting the rest of the brakes back together. Alright. The brakes are all back together. Got my line in, got my caliper on, rotors on. Now all that's left is start bleeding the system. Yay, fun. First you want to start from the brake that's the farthest away from the master cylinder, which would be the real passenger one. I am going to go and do it again. We'll go back each corner and reblade it just to make sure everything's bled good and there's no old fluid left in the system. Make sure it's nice and flushed.
20 minutes later.
Right, next I have the spacers, which I think they might be a little too thick. I'm just going to experiment with them, throw them on, see how they look. I think they're going to be make the wheels stick out too far, a lot more than I want. But what's worse can happen? Let's take them back off. Right, have the car off jack stands. It was kind of hard to see since my garage is so damn narrow. The fitment is actually pretty good. Looks kind of nice. I'm just worried I hit a bump or something. Smack my fender. Other than that, it looks good. Right, now that the wheels and brakes are all back together, I can throw these bad boys on. Looks simple enough. Alright, next thing on the list is this little ram air intake. You know, we have one. This one's hard, not soft. It has a heat shielding on it, so it's probably a little better. Alright, now my bling bling intake's on. Should be it for now. All I have left to do is go test drive it, make sure everything works, see if the wheels rub, see if the brakes stop, just see how she feels. Gotta get it back out of the garage again. It's always fun. So don't forget to subscribe, also follow me on Instagram, and check out one of my other videos. Maybe this one, or that one. Thanks for watching. Peace.